Now before I do that, I'd like you to think about the last purchase that you made. So think about the last mobile phone that you purchased. It's quite likely you asked a friend of yours, is this a good mobile phone? Am I right? Or think about the night that a friend of yours called you up and said, we went to this restaurant, it was so nice, you should also try it out. And next time you wanted to go to a restaurant, you went to that place, isn't it? Because when we want to buy something, we like to go to a place which has been tried and tested. Now let's look at the other side. Even when you want to sell something, you like to deal with people who have been referred or recommended to you. At least that much certainty about the payment. Am I right? So whether you're buying or selling, you like to deal with people who have been referred or recommended to you. So let's see, in this room itself, how many of us already get, say, 30, 40, 50% of our business through referrals from our friends, colleagues, customers, and so on? How many of us already get a lot of business through referrals? Most of us are already getting a lot of business through referrals, isn't it? So how many of us have a system in place for generating these referrals on a regular basis? BNI members, don't keep your hands up. Isn't it very strange that we depend so much of our business to come from referrals, but we don't have a system in place for generating these on a regular basis? This is where BNI comes in. BNI is a systematic way of generating referrals year after year, month after month, week after week. It is the world's largest business referral organization. It operates in 50 plus countries, has 160,000 plus members. It's 28 years old. So obviously it's a proven and tested system for generating referrals. Last year, our members generated 17,000 crores of business through these referrals. So would you like to know what makes BNI so successful? Would that be useful for you?
Yes.
Yeah? No. So the first thing which makes BNI so successful is our philosophy. Our philosophy is givers
Gain.
Givers gain. Because when we want to help others win business, others would like to help us win business. What a wonderful philosophy, isn't it? The next thing which makes BNI so successful is our focus on referrals and the systems and processes we have in place to make sure that these are happening on a regular basis. And you would have seen the systems in action today in this meeting itself. For instance, as soon as we came into this meeting, our members started interacting with you and they started asking you questions. For example, they said, what do you do? Who are your typical customers? These are the kind of questions our members were asking you. Because in these conversations, our members have been trying to figure out if any of their connections are useful for you and vice versa. In our regular meetings, our members interact with each other in this part of the meeting, which is called the open networking part of the meeting, and they get updated about the kind of connections they have made during the last week. The next part of the meeting is when our members, in 30 seconds, they introduce their business, they tell us exactly what they do, who the customers are, and how they will benefit from their products or services. And our members did that so crisply in 30 seconds, isn't it? Today they did a very good job. So let's give them a warm round of applause. The next part of the meeting is what's happening right now. This is called the 8-minute speaker slot. In one of our regular chapter meetings, two of our members would be giving a presentation on their own business in 8 minutes in a lot more detail. Today we have a special day, we have a launch of this chapter, and therefore we are talking about BNI. Now during the last week, our members have been doing exactly what all of us in business do. That is, they have been meeting customers, they have been meeting vendors, they have been meeting their neighbors, friends, relatives, and so on and so forth. However, in these interactions, our members have been doing something very special. What they've been doing is they've been keeping their antennas open for business opportunities for fellow members. Now imagine a friend of mine is chatting with me, and during the conversation it comes up that he is planning to launch a new product. Now immediately, my antennas goes up and I ask him, okay fine, are you planning to make an advertisement or a film for this new product? And he says, yeah, I'm planning, it's a good idea. Then I ask him, who's doing it for you? Right? And this is an opportunity for whom in this chapter?
Mr.
For
Sushil.
Sushil, right? Sushil is into corporate film, so this is an opportunity for him. So he says, yes, I haven't figured it out. And I say, I know exactly the person who can help you out. And I mention to him about Sushil. I take some material what Sushil has shared during the chapter meetings, and I shared that with him. Now, is my friend very happy with this information that I've given him? He's very happy. I solved a problem of this. And then I call up Sushil and ask him to give a call to my friend. Is my friend expecting that call?
Yes.
He is expecting that call, isn't it? So the moment a customer is expecting a call, that's a referral. So when I come to the chapter meeting, I'll pass what is called a referral slip. So in front of you, notice these slips. This is called a referral slip. Okay, I'll pass the slip to Sushil, saying that this is the connection that I have made. This is the referral that I generated for him during the last week. Now, supposing my friend actually does business with him, he gives him a check. Then Sushil would come back to this chapter and pass what is known as a thank you for closed business slip. So if you see these green color slips, okay. So he will thank me for the business I helped him generate. There are no kickbacks or commissions in BNI. The only way we thank each other is by passing these green slips. Isn't that wonderful? Have you seen this anywhere else happen? That people give you referrals of business and they don't expect anything else in return? It happens in BNI. So you can see how well our meeting is organized to make sure that our members are generating a lot of business through referrals. The next thing which makes BNI so successful is the commitment that people make. Now the first set of commitments are made by members themselves when they join BNI, and you saw these commitments made when we inducted 5 new members today. Because they took an oath. They took an oath that I'm going to help other members generate business. Isn't that? And the interesting thing is, the moment they took that oath, all the other members got up and said, we are going to help you generate business. Wasn't it fantastic? That whole givers gain thing. So that's the first commitment that members make for each other. The second commitment members make is to actually run this chapter. So you'll notice in the beginning of the meeting, several members got up and said, I do this for the chapter. I take care of the visitor hosts. I take care of the referrals. I take care of the attendance. Almost everyone in this chapter had some role or the other. So the chapter is managed by the members themselves. So that's the second commitment that they take. Now senior members of BNI Bangalore, people who know how this system works, they know how to generate referrals for their own business, they take up roles of supporting chapters, launching chapters, and training members on how to generate referrals for their own business. Okay, and we have several examples of this here today itself. We have Kumar, V. Kumar, he is the Senior Director Consultant of BNI Bangalore. He is a member for close to 7 years. In February, next year, 6.5 years old member. Thank you, Kumar. Then we have Rajesh, a member of another chapter, who's going to support this chapter with all his experience and expertise. And then we have Amrut Kumar over here, who's member for 3 years, and he trains members on different skills that our members need for generating referrals. And we have got several senior members over here who are supporting this chapter. In fact, there are 50 director consultants in BNI Bangalore. So you can see there's a huge team of people who are committed to making sure that our members generate a lot of referrals for their own businesses. The next thing, okay, now we all know how important networking is for business. So how many of us got trained on how to do this during our school or college? Anybody got trained? Isn't it very strange that it is so important for business, but nobody actually trains us on how to do business networking? Our founder, Dr. Ivan Meisner, has written 17 books on this topic. In BNI Bangalore, We regularly train our members on how to present their business, how to generate referrals through business networking, how to use social media for generating referrals, and we do these trainings on a regular basis. And that's the reason why you'll notice that our members are very well equipped on how to generate referrals for their business. So now that you've got a flavor of what makes BNI so successful for our members, I'd like to take this opportunity to showcase what kind of potential business is there for one of our visitors. I met several of you today in the morning. I met you as well, Mr. Parmesh. Could you please come here? So when I was chatting with Parmesh, he was telling me that he is into facility management and he does this for some very large company like your Velankani, right? For example, one of his customers is Velankani, where he has got 100. He has got 99, close to 100 people working there under his roles. Okay, so what is he into? He's into basically housekeeping, staff, gardening, and different electrical maintenance and so on. Okay, so that's his role. So would other IT companies be useful for you as customers? Okay, so he's now focusing on apartments. Okay, so he'd like to get connected to builders who are launching new apartments and so on, right? Okay. So how many of us have connections to builders? So shall we get those names? You can take. Yeah. Yeah, please give those names.
Confident Group.
Confident Group will be useful for you? Okay. If any of these are already your customers, tell us, then don't put their name down there. Okay, Confident, okay. Okay, then what else? Yes.
Ready Structures.
Ready Structures, okay. This will be useful, no? Yeah.
Aditya Nest. Aditya Nest.
Aditya Nest.
Purvankara Group.
Purvankara will be useful. Okay. Prestige. Yes. Assets. Okay.
Salarpuri.
Salarpuria. Okay. Someone else?
VRR Builders.
Sorry?
VRR Builders.
VRR Builders. Okay.
TGR and Edifice.
TGR. Okay. And Edifice. Okay. What's the spelling?
CE.
Okay.
Chaitanya Projects.
Tata Housing. Okay.
DS Max.
DS
Max.
Max. Okay.
Chaitanya Projects.
Chaitanya. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I'm running out of space over here. But you noticed how many connections are there in this room. In fact, whichever industry vertical I picked up, I would have got these many names. Okay, I've done this so many times. It doesn't matter which industry segment I pick up. It can be a very niche segment also. We get this many names. So connections are never a problem in BNI. Okay, so let me ask members this question and visitors. Supposing you knew Paramesh very well. You knew that he is a very dependable person. When he promises something, he delivers. And supposing you also knew that his products and services, or in this case services, are of very good quality. Would you then make these connections to him?
Yes.
So that's what we do in BNI. We spend a lot of time with each other so that we understand each other's strengths as well as weaknesses. So that confidently we can connect our contacts to our members. It was Robert Kiyosaki who said that the wealthiest in the world build networks. The rest look for work. Thank you.